Okay. Um, Let me do this setup. Mic test 1 2. All right, my microphone's working.
Hi there.
Hey, Mon. I do think your audio is getting picked up. Can you say something one more time?
From
Yeah.
yeah, I think it's getting played in your like through your speakers, and then Streamlabs, the only thing they pick up is what ends up in your microphone again. At least
Can
that's
you
what it sounded like.
open my stream right now and see if you can, because there's a 10-second delay, right? So you should be able to test this.
Yeah, sure. Wait, I'll give it a go. Let's make Mono games. I'll be speaking, and then I guess I'll be hearing myself in a second.
Can you hear
Still
yourself right now?
using the electric. Yeah, wait, I'm still waiting to grab it. Let's see. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I guess I have to switch audio. Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Cool. All right.
Yeah, much better.
So
Nice. Okay, nice. You got the Minesweeper open already?
yeah, I do have Minesweeper open.
Yeah, I haven't fiddled with the restitution yet. Maybe we can do it
Restitution.
now.
Are you talking about damping?
Oh wait, we don't need to damp. Yeah, sorry. I meant I'm gonna check just to make sure I don't say the wrong thing again.
I think
I guess
lowering the
in
speed
that
is
case.
fine. Maybe it's up to you, really.
Yeah, let's see. So I want a high damping so that when you stop your input, it stops your character like almost immediately.
Okay, that's fair.
And I don't want to add any friction because that will just make initial acceleration even slower, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that would just make things worse. Let's see. So I did
Yes.
200 and I changed some things. I added myself something to cheat just to be able to easily test movement. Oh yeah, this stops like on the spot. Nice, snappy.
Just
It's too
adding
fast.
a sprite so you guys can see what I'm doing as well. Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Hey, what up, JD Elson? Good to see you. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this up here. And what happens if I minimize this? It still stays up there, right? So I just have to manually hide it then. It's all good. All right, cool. So yeah, what do you guys think about the idea of ooh, the movement kind of feels funky now. What do you think about adding the like a hallway? Is that hard to do because the map is running on fixed
A
like
hallway?
tiles? Yeah, like a
I'm not
hallway
exactly
like that
sure
you
what you
enter,
mean.
right? So here, let me actually use the A sprite. Uh I know there's gonna be a delay, so maybe it's better for me to just share screen with you guys. Let me see. Share screen. Hopefully this doesn't kill my
So you
computer.
need something where they like.
Okay, I'm sharing a screen right now with you on Discord, so you can see what I'm doing in real time.
Yes, there it is.
Yeah, but yeah, so like
Yes.
right now this is the game, right? Like this is the minefield. What if you added some sort of a hallway down here where like this is where the players they all like gather in the beginning of the round and then they literally walk into the minefield. So this way, what's good about this is that um
I don't see your screen anymore. You dropped out of the Discord.
Discord, okay.
Yeah, like 10 seconds.
Yeah, it does that every once in a while. Let me share my screen again. Can you see?
One sec. But yeah, I should be able to. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so a corridor from the bottom where we place people and then they walk like into it.
Yeah.
I
What do you
see.
think about that?
So I do like the center because otherwise sometimes it will be difficult. But what I can do is I can increase the safe zone. I was thinking about making the map a little bigger anyway.
Yeah, I mean it's ultimately it's you guys' game.
What we could be doing,
Okay.
like we can give people invincibility for like 5 seconds. That would be easy.
Yeah, but then I don't know. I think that takes the suspense away, right?
I do like dying quite early. So one thing I have for my main player character, because I'm a contributor, is I can just press R to respawn, and it just makes me a homie and deletes my score. And that's kinda nice. Like after I had it, I kept using it, and I'm kind of enjoying it. And I'm thinking like that's kind of the same as reloading the page and rejoining. So another quick fix might be to just like in the first half of those 90 seconds, you can just respawn with like 5 to 10 seconds delay. So you can do it like 2, 3 times.
I mean, again, it's up to you. It's your game. Yeah. I still don't think that addresses my concern where like one of the biggest annoyance with Minesweeper or Minesweeper right now for me is me trying to figure out where the heck I am compared to all the other users. Oh yeah, is that new feature out yet where we highlight the
Oh,
my own player's color? Doesn't seem like it, right?
Jay, are we building a new game today? Or are we repolishing?
We're polishing.
Okay.
Yeah. GD Elson, if you're watching this, let us know what you think. Discord is dead. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Looks like what's going on? Can you hear me, Rob? I don't know if you're talking.
I don't know if I'm talking over you. It was a little laggy.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Done.
That's great. I can also hear wait,
yeah, it's
Monty's back. Welcome back. You're a lot quieter now.
oh,
On.
I didn't do anything. Like there's no
Okay,
change.
you're better now. You're better. Yeah. Okay. So Yeah, whatever happened to the highlighting my own player's name color?
I did write a script for it. Let me just send you the script link. Maybe you can tell me what I'm doing wrong, because there seems to
But
be
do
an
you even
error.
have that feature? Like, has that been implemented?
We have. Wait, I can share the demo with you first.
Oh, you know what? Colin's in charge of this. Let's grab this guy, Colin. What's this game?
So you can join, and then you can press Q to receive just a random color and make your username that color.
Yeah, so I see my color is yellow. Wow, my chat screen is quite large. Interesting.
Oh, that's by design, because this was for a deck of cards first, so I needed the logs to be big.
Cool. So yeah, no, this is great. I can see my own name as yellow, and yours is white.
Yeah, you won't see mine. I think the one action that works at this point is changing it for a player. I mean, I could look through all
Yeah,
players,
the overall one doesn't work.
but since the thing we want to do it right now is just changing the color of your own player, that shouldn't stop us from anything.
Colin, did you say it's not working?
Yeah, on Friday you told me to push without the do it for everyone. So
Right.
I commented out do it for everyone, and we just pushed the do it for specific player.
Right. And
And that's currently what Prod has.
And it should be enough, I think.
is it bugged? Sorry, I didn't quite understand what you're saying, Colin.
One of the two actions doesn't exist.
Oh, so you mean there's an action.
Only 4-player works.
So I tried it in Minesweeper, and I think I used this exact same action that I use in the demo game, but it didn't seem to work. I shared it the script link in Meeting Room 1. Maybe you can have a look, Colin.
If something is assigned to a player type, it won't work. That's what I'm fixing this afternoon. Because player type
Oh, I see.
color overwrites the whatever the new action is.
Should this be
And
do we still want this as an action, or should this be sort of out of box solution where you can assign my own player's color for a player type?
I do think an action is quite smart. Gives a lot of control to the creators.
The only annoyance with the actions now at this point is like, you have to like reset it every time, right? When you like respawn a unit or whatever.
Yeah, why we disabled the do it for everyone thing is because there wasn't a way yet to do it when someone joins after something has been colored.
Yeah, okay, so but doing it for my own players works fine, right?
If it doesn't have a player type, it'll work. If it has
What if it has a player type?
It'll get overwritten by the player type's color, even if it's like white.
But when does it get overwritten?
After the action goes.
So like immediately after it gets overwritten?
Yeah. So it's happening. It's just being overwritten to white or whatever color the player
Can
type
you
has.
fix it? Can you
Yeah,
fix
that's
it?
what I'm working on this afternoon, yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that'd be sweet if you can. So I don't care about changing the color for all players for now.
Yep.
Yeah, let's just limit the scope to my own player only for now. So
Sounds good. That's
yeah,
the
thank you.
current plan, yeah.
And yeah, another annoyance right now. So aside from the player color, even if there's a player color, my annoyance is that yeah, when the game starts and when there's more than like 8 players in the game, I just get pushed over and die, right?
Yeah,
And
get yawned everywhere.
I'm sorry?
You get like pushed, exactly.
Yeah, like I
the
die
center
immediately,
area-
and then that's just like, I don't know. To me, it's just too chaotic, and it kind of
Yes,
gets rid of that suspense for me.
the bug that you saw when we were demoing it earlier today, where
Yeah.
it made a cross shape, that was
Yeah.
my attempt at making the center area bigger. So right now there's like a 4x4 area that is safe when you're playing. And I'm thinking just like more players means a bigger safe area.
Yeah. I don't know if that's the optimal solution. Just by increasing the size of the starting space. That's just my opinion. Again, like this is your game, you guys' game. So it's really ultimately up to you to decide on how
I
you
do
want
have
to do it.
like a 2/3 ready script that reveals neighbors of like clear tiles, similar to how it does in Minesweeper. And I thought about doing it just at the start of the game. Then we
What-
would have kind of like an overview, like part of the board would be solved.
What's also counterintuitive to me is that as you get more players, the game then becomes easier, I guess, right? Because there's there's gonna be less mines altogether, period.
There is more mines because mines scale with player count.
See,
But
so what
making
ruins
it a
the
little
fun
bit
for me
easier
too is that because the mines, sure, if because you're maintaining the same mine count, and then also you're obligated to create more open space to accommodate more players, you get more concentrated mines in the corners, which actually to me makes game less fun, right?
it's more difficult, huh? Yeah, it should.
Not
The
just
size of the map
yeah,
should be the thing that scales.
yeah. It's not even about
Basically.
difficulty. It's just like it's predictably difficult. Like, am I phrasing this right? I think you understand what I'm trying to say, right? It's
Yeah, at some point it just becomes like almost impossible to solve it,
exactly
which
right.
I guess makes sense, but it shouldn't be dependent on player count. So like lots of players should still have a similar difficulty to few players.
But yeah, that's my feedback. So yeah, I mean, if you want to experiment, with the what do you call it? If you want to experiment with the hallway, I mean, I think it's pretty cool. It'd be pretty cool because it creates that. It solves a lot of issues, right? Two issues actually. The one is just like game being completely chaotic in the beginning, and two is just difficulty not scaling and just you ending up having this cluster of mines in the four corners. Yeah.
Yeah, the board will have the same density even with more players because there's no empty spaces. That makes sense. I can give it a go.
Okay. Cool. And also, I think having a bit of a hangout in the beginning actually adds an interesting dynamic to the game, in my opinion. Where, yeah, just like you start off and people are just sort of, I don't know, pondering about how to begin and who's going out there first, kind of deal, you know? It's like Squid Game when you have those. You watched the Squid Game, right?
Of course I did. But in Minesweeper, the first one is always clear, right? Shouldn't we make the same thing here?
Yeah, so the first, like, it's gonna be funny in the sense that, yeah, like the glass bridge challenge, right, where the first ones to go are taking the most risk.
Yeah, for sure.
But
So
it's
in
kind of
original
funny.
Minesweeper,
Sorry, go ahead.
in original Minesweeper, if the first click you make would have been a mine, it actually takes that mine and places it in the top left.
Are you
Which means
serious?
that in more difficult games, the top left tile is actually the most dangerous of all of them.
That's hilarious. I did not know that.
So maybe we can just do the same. It's actually a super easy implementation. Just
Yeah,
move it if it would hurt.
that's a very interesting fact that I did not know about. Did you find out about that after start working on this game, or is this pretty well
Yeah,
known?
of course. I also
Okay.
found out about the fact that there's people doing no flags in regular Minesweeper.
Yeah.
That's just a thing people do.
Yeah, I mean, adding a flag logic could also be interesting, I guess.
I think it doesn't fit with the game because the game's like kind of hectic. I had an idea like earlier about allowing ghosts to
Yeah.
place flags and just like mislead people with that.
or
So
help
like you
them,
place the
right?
flag,
Yeah.
someone walks into your false flag, you get some of their score, and if someone walks into a flag of yours that was a bomb, like do some other things with score, but it
Yeah.
didn't end up anywhere, so kind of discarded it.
No problem. Cool. Okay, no, this is great. I love how the game's coming together. I love the fonts you're using on the bottom there. Whoop, and I can jump over things
Yeah,
now
I was
too.
just in the process of actually writing a guide on how to do this because it's super simple. It
Nice.
doesn't even like you don't have to host the font anywhere. Just use it with CSS.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome feature of ours. Hey, how's it going, guys? What's up, Conzilla, Harry's numbers, Chrisan, QQ? Yeah, come and join the game. I'll show you guys the link. Good to see you all. So, Mon, did you want to continue working on this game? I did want to chat with you quickly about how we can handle the custom UIs and the buttons.
Yeah, so earlier today we threw around some ideas, and I think you mentioned making them like entities in the editor as opposed to just having them be a part of the UI customization.
So I have a question for you, and I wish Pranshu was in the call. If I were to, let's say, open the UI editor, would I like was our ultimate goal, or our initial goal, was it to allow people to create new views?
Yes, it was definitely.
Okay.
And then very quickly we figured out that EJS is not easy to change, but I think that's also a circumstance that's different now because as far as I know, we've moved lots of our EJS into like React components. So
Okay.
yeah, circumstances are
So
easier
if we can customize these, I think it would be extremely powerful. So if you could, like, say, for example, summon a view, like create a view and be able to summon it, and let me think. Okay, so we have a custom model view, and actually the way we have it is somewhat satisfactory for now, for what I'm trying to accomplish, because we can still. Oh, the problem with the custom model view though is that I can only have one custom model view template, right?
Kind of, not really, because you have access to the title of each model, and also you have access to handlebar ifs, which means you could check if the title is X and then render a certain type of HTML, and then if it's like not X, you render like the generic one.
It's also somewhat frustrating to limit limit this to Bootstrap framework, right? I think
Yeah,
it
you
would
have
have
to
been,
kind of
yeah.
override the Bootstrap manually if you want to change the styling, which is not great, I have to admit.
Yeah, I mean, if you could accommodate like other framework or just like having something more bare minimum, would have been pretty cool, I think. But that's okay. My other, so the main thing I wanted to discuss with you about was the button click events. So ability to access, number one, the button actions. That's number one. And number two is the input fields as well, like form submission, right? Number two is not as important, but it's something that I think is pretty important eventually, near term. But just being
Did you
able to
mention
go ahead.
input fields because you have a specific use case in mind? Is there something you want
Yeah,
to
like, you know, like
achieve
let's
with
say if you're making some sort of like trade game, you know, you want to allow people to enter like certain gold amount or whatever, right? Or like you're entering your name, or just yeah, I mean, like, let's say if you're making a game about chatting with a ChatGPT, you know, the input field could be like, you know, what kind of message do you want to send to the bot? Those are some of the examples I can think
That's
of.
like technically kind of what we're doing with the custom input model, right?
What
What
we're
would
doing with the what
you-
mobile?
Like, what is it? The custom input model that already like kind of
Right.
allows you to send a message.
But yeah,
What's missing from it?
you're right. You're right. It would be an evolution on top of the what we have in custom model. So you know you can further customize things, such as yeah, again like button events and input fields. Just it's more customizable custom model, is what I'm thinking. And then we can also have different layouts, different views, pre-made views, and the goal here, I think I mentioned this during the our last meeting, is that we have something that is so atomic that you can, you know, literally build a shop using this new custom model interface. You can literally build a dialogue or shop using this.
So it would create HTML, but kind of like as a result of going through JSON elements and going through the game state.
You wouldn't. So you're still gonna be able to enter and modify HTML, like CSS HTML. You still have control over that. It's just that you also have control over the input fields and the button actions. So let's talk about button actions real quick. Right now, there's a pre-made button that says data dismiss ID's custom model cancel, right? Well, what I want to do is I want the developers to be able to, you know, add a button, or like it can be anything. It can be whatever, right? But like it doesn't even have to be a button. But you know, maybe we can add something custom, some custom an attribute. So like it's gonna be similar to like onClick, right? And then it'll do something. It'll do like button trigger, like that, for example.
So like one idea I had earlier today was to maybe trigger an event whenever any element like on the screen is clicked, and let the engine know about the ID, the content, and the classes of that element.
So not so much about the content. I think ID alone is sufficient, no?
If we had content, we could also do input fields and a lot more custom
But-
stuff. But yeah, it's not.
But these are
strictly
different
necessary,
though.
right?
Like the button that's triggering it is different from, like, how would you capture? Hold on. Right? Because if you have an if statement, you can do so upon trigger. So button trigger, you can do a conditional check and compare the ID. But how would you fetch the content?
I mean, there is already in JavaScript a selector to grab the content of HTML elements, right? So that's what we would be using, I guess.
Okay, so if you have an input, hey Nico, what's going on? Please add array support for dialog variables. Huh? Do we already have dialog variables?
Yes, we do. I've been looking into them, but I haven't found great example games. I think there's some
Oh, you mean like as
good
in global
Ren's
variables?
clones that have it.
Oh, we have a dialogue. Oh shit.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think only globals.
So
No,
you're talking
not
about.
like this.
So are you talking about dialogue array, Nico? Is that what you're asking? So we have a dialogue. Are you saying we need to get a dialogue array?
I think dialog just can store a variable that points to a dialog.
You can use
What
global
Nico
variables in
means,
dialog.
so I think some games, what they are doing, they have like dialogues that display stats of the player.
I want to
don't
give
have one off the top of
dialogues
my head, but maybe
on
Nico
array and get
can
the
the
elements.
first one.
Hold on, I'm not quite sure if so. Yes or no, right? Do you want dialogue array here? It sounds like you don't want that. It sounds like you want something else. I want to give the dialogue on array and get the elements. Can you be a little more specific? Let me know. Nada Mouse says we'll click on like button for you mode. What if someone hacked you? What will you do? I'm not quite sure what you're asking. Are you talking about potential security vulnerability from allowing people to make games with the click button actions? That the triggers that we're talking about? We'll click on like button for you. Yeah, not sure what you're saying. I'm not sure about what anyone's saying. Sorry, I'm not the most smart guy in the room. So I don't have to use. Okay, I know. Sorry. Hey, what's going on, Vlad9417 or 07? I can't even count even now, man. Happy to add more features. Looking to hear your guys' feedback. So please let me know. But just quickly going back to what me and Mon were saying. Sorry, Mon, for not responding some of the things you're stating. So we were chatting about how to handle some of the input fields, yeah? Could it be could we maybe refer? Okay, no, hold on. What you said makes sense, right? So we can just fetch upon button click event, we can just fetch the variables from the DOM element, right? So we can do like get value of DOM elements ID. Like we can have an action like this that returns a string, yeah? I think this makes sense. I think this actually makes it quite accessible.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open my Trello. I don't care if it's being shared with the community. New action, get value of DOM element.
So I did ask Nico like some days ago about how to display stats in dialogues. And he just shared with me that it's like dollar variable name dollar.
That's how you're gonna access a
And
variable or the value of the
I
DOM element.
think you can already do it in dialogues. You can access like global variables and other strings just
Oh yeah,
by
yeah, we
typing your name
can.
with like dollar.
You're right. You're right. Do you have the yeah? Do you have like some sort of syntax documentation for dialogues yet? I remember it not being very accessible last time.
Yeah, there is a documentation on how to use the handlebars, but at this point I was not even aware that it was possible to put just variables into dialogues. It's
Yeah, we need a
feature from
documentation
before
for
my
that.
time.
Nico, can you contribute to our documentation? Is it on docs.modio? Yeah, this is where it is, right? We need your help. Can you contribute to can you contribute to this? I'm gonna share a link with you. Maybe you can share knowledge. Okay, he's too busy with the Dungeon Fighter 2. Yeah, well, maybe someone can contribute. I know everybody's busy, but I'm cooking. What are you cooking? Okay, so
pretty nice game actually. Nico's making something cool.
Dungeon Fighter 2? Yeah, no, it's an awesome game. Is it playable right now? I don't know. I guess it's not public yet, huh? If you want to test it, if you want us to test it, Nico, let us know. Okay, so just going back, yeah, I know that we can access those components in HTML using dialogue, but I don't think you can, like, we don't have a way to actually get the fetch the DOM element right now, as far as I'm concerned. So I do think we need to add this right here. And then another thing we want to add is trigger. A trigger when a player clicks on DOM element, right?
I think in regular HTML, there's on hover when you release it, and then when you click.
Is that what you want, or do you want to just handle click for now?
I don't think we need hover. I think that can be done still with just CSS, right?
I think we can handle that later. We could, if you wanted to, by the way, we could make it so JavaScript will. Sorry, hold on. Do JavaScripts run right now? It doesn't, right? In our UI.
No. They're blocked.
Right.
We are blocking them for.
I'm okay
several
with
reasons.
keeping them that way. I'm okay. So then will the trigger only run when a player clicks on a button? When a player clicks
I
on
think the
HTML.
simplest way would just be, when they click on any HTML element, we have a trigger that runs, and then we need to pass the ID. So it should be triggering element ID or something like that.
So like this, is this good enough? Oh man, but we are forcing it to be a button now. We can't make something work just by when a player clicks on a button, or sorry, HTML component. When a player clicks on
I
HTML.
think there would be.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, there would be some limitations if we have just these two, but 80-20, right? So like this
No,
will
80-20.
allow creators to do most things.
Should I do this when a player clicks on an HTML component? Or is that going to just cause so much oh man. How about this? How about we make it so component with class, and then
Yeah, so we restrict it to just
ones that has
the
this
ones
class,
that we want to be active in Taro. Mhm.
with class what, clickable?
I don't think clickable is used by anything else.
I don't think so.
Something like with Taro in mind, but that's not the name of our engine anymore. So
Just I mean, if so any element that has the class clickable will trigger that thing getting clicked will trigger this trigger to happen on the server side.
and then most implementation would just have like one long script with a bunch of ifs that
Yes,
check for the right ID.
exactly the ID. Should it be clickable or should it be something else? Trigger?
Should we call it like game trigger or game clickable?
Game trigger?
I think that works. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
More chat. DM me the link. Very secret game. Don't share link, please. Okay, can I at least play it? I think I can play it as long as I don't share the link, right? And people cannot see the link. Yeah, I see it. I'll give it a try. The Journey
Turn it off
Fighters.
full screen really quick.
Cool. Elson says secret game. Infinite says try asking ChatGPT. Surely can't help but bothing goes with one try. Okay, yeah, I'm not quite sure about what you're saying, guys. Please do your spelling check before sending the message.
He's right next to N, so I'm thinking he means nothing.
Oh, nothing goes with one try. Haha. Got it. Thank you. Nadama says me will play with mode in any game that he plays in live. Okay, I guess English is just not first language for some of you guys, but I do get what you guys are trying to say. Sansa says Gugu Daro. Okay, that definitely is in English. Journey Fighters. All right, let's check this game out. A quick sneak preview. Hello, Nico. Bra, bra, bra. Yeah, I can hurt you. Cool. Oh my gosh, I love the icons. Nico says WTH. Woodstaff. All right, what am I doing? Burb is here. I have no idea, bro. I'm not sharing the link. I haven't shared the link with anyone. Oh, bro, you know what it is? I think he knows where I am because he's in my friends list. Whoa, bro, this is crazy. There's AI players. I'm in a... Bro, this is so sick. This is so sick. I love it.
Oh wow. We in a boat? Oh, and it stops and everything.
It's like a train of some kind. Okay, there's a supply box. Take all
From what
for
I
myself.
understand, it's like all procedural generation. It's like a roguelike type game.
I'm not sure. Can I jump out? No. Oh, bro, this is so cool. Here, someone says hello, welcome. Whoa, okay, so now I'm fighting against, what is it, zombies? I love the cooldown interface that we added. It adds so much. And I do, I also like the box that Nico added. Cool. Oh, this guy's almost dying. Can we save him somehow? Okay, we're back. Oh, so this is really cool. I get it. So we end up, so we're in this facility, and every once in a while we'll go out in a convoy. Okay, how do I pick this up? Can I just close it? I can't close it. Okay. I love the UI, Nico. This is so much more polished. I can't use it because I don't have enough mastery. Interesting. Okay, well, I'll drop it then, I guess. You have to up your fight mastery, okay? Fight mastery. Fighting. Okay, I'm out of gold. Okay, my fight mastery is... How do I check my fight mastery? Yeah, I got the iron sword. Can I use it? Yes, I can use it. Sweet. Check my... Bro, it's got stats? How do you even do this? Oh, you can do this because you can access the properties of the player, right? Using the tags. This makes perfect sense. No, this is so awesome. Wow. I love it. And then, yeah, if I'm standing on the exit door, choose the route. Okay. Let's go to Ashfields. Oh no, I'm gonna go to the underground. Where did we go last time? Was it the underground or the Ashfield? I guess I'll try Ashfields. No, I think I was in the Ashfields. I'm gonna try underground. Okay. All right. The starting region is a place of its own. Cool. Which road? I don't know. Option 2. This is so cool. I love it. Oh, it's got this enemy type has a projectile. Oh, and they drop. I can pick up gold that they drop. This is so cool, man. You know what this game needs? Sound and music, which I'm sure you're gonna add. I'll just make things so much more epic. We can have like a combat sound. We can have like end of journey sound. Whoa, survivors. What's going? Oh, bro, this is so cool, man. What do I do with them? Help them? Trade with them? Can I steal from them? Okay. So if I help them, I get stress, loot, X4. Okay. Cool. Maybe my luck can go up. What is this? You drop something. Enemy ambush. Oh, I have necklace. Oh, bro. So cool. Yo, he's bleeding, man. Oh, this is so crazy. I love the particles. This game is so freaking cool. This is shopkeeper. Regen potion. Okay. Do I use it on me or how does that work? Oh, I can regen my friends, huh? That's awesome. Let me heal this guy. Oh, sick. Okay. Okay, so
I love how the username updates to show like status stuff.
right. Okay, what's this? Hospital. Oh my gosh. Doctors are busy and tired. Treatment will require some coins. I have 154 coins. Oh no, I'm not done, but that is so cool, man. Wow. I love this game. This is so crazy. Sure, let's try option 3. I'm curious about what the
When does it say?
sorry, what?
Yeah, when does it say like the question mark, question mark, question mark? Is that for everything that you haven't tried yet?
I
That you haven't
guess not. I
discovered?
guess so. I
That'd
guess
be
you're
pretty
right.
cool.
Wow, they got an archer, skeleton, Arba, whatever. Interesting. Yeah, this is so cool. I'm curious about the lore of this game. Actually, I wanna learn about the lore. I'd like to know what happened and why, everything is so desolate. Help them, trade with them. Okay, I traded. What did I get? Yeah, I'm sorry for blocking you. Blah, blah. Okay. Oh, and it shows the distance to in, which it says 8 right now. Does that number go down? Whoa, what was that, bro?
Yeah, it was 9 before you started moving.
Oh yeah,
so
it
I
does
guess
go down. Oh, this is so
8 more
crazy.
stops.
Bandit
Now it's at
outpost.
7.
What does that mean? I can enter? How do I enter?
I think it's always E to interact, isn't it?
Oh, bro, no, we're gonna fight with the bandits now. Oh, that's so cool. This is so freaking cool, bro. I love this game.
Nico already.
Oh
drops.
my god, this is so amazing. I'm bleeding, bro. Yeah, bandage me. Thank you. I'm not bleeding anymore because I'm cured. Oh my god. That is so freaking cool. Alright, we're going to the next destination. Alright. Let's go. Fight, fight, fight. Nico's almost dead. No, I'm dying. I'm bleeding, yo. Collect gold. At death's door. No. I'm at the death's door.
Yeah, I think that mechanic might be inspired from Darkest Dungeon.
Which mechanic?
Death's Door is something that's also present in Darkest Dungeon. It's
Oh,
basically when your HP goes to 0, you can take like 1 more hit before you actually die.
oh, got it. How do I? Okay, hold on. Destination supply box, gathering road danger. Option number 1, I guess. Darkest Dungeon. Yeah, I've never played it. Wait, why am I dying?
It's pretty good.
It is so good. And then I don't wanna fight.
Yeah.
Pay
So
money. Oh, I don't have money.
a
I
friend
can't
of
afford
mine
it.
when
Okay, thank you, Nico. Yeah, let's pay off those bandits. I don't know, option number 1. Distance to in is 5. Bro, this game is so freaking amazing. Wow, I'm genuinely impressed. Why is my HP going down? Yeah, let's move on. We gotta get home, bro.
This gives me so many different ideas for games. I mean, wow. I wasn't even sure we could do this.
Same here.
nice. Nico just dumped in chat that there is some Darkest Dungeon inspiration.
Yeah, he did. Yeah. All right, let's go now. Explorer.
So I hope that
Let's move on.
in Darkest Dungeon, the characters they do get like depressed and have like really bad times if you don't treat them too well. I hope that the characters here stay happy always.
Oh, this is so cool, and we're gonna die, bruh.
Beautiful particles again.
I
Wow.
love the art. Oh, there's the attribute bug that Colin's working on fixing. But yeah, it looks like I'm about to. Yes, you were wiped out. Game over. Oh my gosh, this is such an amazing game. I can't wait to play this. Like when it's more polished. Infinity says, bro, if you give enough hard work, you can do games like this. Oh, 100%. Is Darkest Dungeon a multiplayer too?
No, it's actually single player only. You manage a party of 4 people and then you go into dungeons and die.
Oh, that's
quite often,
amazing.
to be
So we're
honest.
making a multiplayer version of a popular game. That is brilliant.
I don't think so. I
Oh,
think
you
the
don't
game
think
that
so?
Nico's making is quite unique. So Darkest Dungeon is turn-based. It has some really interesting and novel mechanics about how you like treat your party. So there's a meta game around it, and you can have characters that get like depressed and they get phobias and all that kind of stuff. You still need to you need to manage the sanity of your team members. Essentially, that's the new thing with Darkest Dungeon. But this is real time. It's like a real time action game, so it's quite different.
Yeah, no, it's amazing. I love it. Yeah, thanks for sharing this with us, Nico. Very, very inspiring. All right, employees going back to work. Wow. I wonder if Linda saw this. Her mind would be like blown away, I think. Yeah, wow. Okay. No, that was pretty awesome. I should probably work on my start working on my own game too. Interesting. Bunch of people are playing toy defense. You know, this game's been catching up quite a bit. Stab.io too. I've been noticing this game consistently getting like 10 plus players.
It's kind of a rehash of clicker games we get
Oh,
kind
is
of
it?
often, but with lots of unique items.
Also, it's like a like an idle game, huh?
Yeah, more like a clicker because you have to be quite active to get there. Even though
Right.
it looks like most of these people are actually idling, yeah.
That's
Oh,
great.
that makes a lot more sense. I've been joining this game just to try to understand it. But it seemed pretty fun. I mean, I was in there a
It's
few times.
pretty,
You know, I love just like watching
have, like,
people
a-
interact and move around. Like to me, this is life, you know?
Yeah. There's another game I was checking out the other day. It was like a Cursed Brains, like a weird looking map, but it had a lot of people in there.
Nice.
The Ooga Booga one.
Yeah. This one right here, right?
Yeah, what is that about? No,
It's just I think Brains clone.
I think this one's like all the big people swerving the zombies, right?
Oh, you're like a yeah, it's a juke game, right? Yeah, it's a juke.
What does that mean? I'm
Juke
not
means
familiar.
like, so it's like a game of, it's like an evasion, right? So like, you see how they're moving around to evade us?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
that's the challenge. I got you. I got two.
I think it kind of means like outsmarting people with mental moves and some like agility.
Yeah.
Oh,
So we all
nice. That's
play
why-
together, and then yeah, the sole purpose of this game is to juke. So we all end up here. Oh Jesus! And then we move away from the zombies. Mon's a zombie right now.
Oh no, I'm not good at this.
Don't leave the game. I'm joining. Yeah, come on in, bro. Yeah, we got 3 zombies. 4 zombies now. Oh, 5 zombies. I'm not even moving. Okay, now I'm moving. 6 zombies. Yeah. Pretty straightforward game. Pretty. Oh no! Okay, I'm dead. Pretty casual.
It's like a super concentrated brains version.
Yeah. Corner him. Get him, boys. Yeah, we won. GG. Yeah, pretty straightforward.
I think
Alright.
if you boil brains for long enough, this is what you end up with.
No, that was fun. Let's so yeah, no, I'm glad we chatted about this and came to a conclusion. And Mon, you're pretty content with what I'm suggesting here, yeah? When a player clicks on
Definitely. Yeah, I think it's enough.
okay.
Mhm.
Let's go with that. This yeah, again, this is gonna open a lot of doors. Yeah, where are all the tag information about what you can do in, is it here actually? Is this all applicable to, oh yeah, it is here, dialogues, right here.
Yes, there's some things we have in dialogues that we don't have in modals. For example, we don't have the title, we don't have options, we can't have, well, images. But yeah, that's pretty much, I think handlebars is good. So like what Nico said about iterating through an array, if we expose more global variables and we allow like some logic here, I think handlebars has 4 loops and each loops. So maybe we could do something with those. Oh yeah, that's definitely a valid point as well.
Super annoying. Oh yeah, so we have this. I guess this is gonna be like somewhat of a collaborative effort. I think Dimitri can probably take care of this. Yeah, but okay, no, this enables Nico. Wow, no, this is all awesome. We can do a loop as well. Can we access? Okay, so
yeah, I think
sorry, go ahead.
we just need to allow iterating. So if we have already access to global variables with
Yeah.
the dollar variable name dollar thing,
Yeah.
maybe we can just allow iterating through it if it is an array.
Can we allow like attributes? Are we already doing that or no?
I think Nico is doing it in a way that has a global variable and just makes a string that uses like player attributes or unit
Is that how Nico's
attributes.
doing it? Nico, if you're still in the stream, which I don't think you are, you might be, would it help if we allowed you to modify the custom model So it shows the attributes. But then I'm also thinking, how would you do that even? Like how would you reference a
mean-
particular player?
That's so. I
Maybe I
think
can do
Mo
my
solved a
player?
lot of issues
Sorry,
that
go
we
ahead.
would encounter. So like you could just do triggering player for the person that opens the dialogue and then access them with the same kind
No,
of
triggering
syntax that
doesn't
we're
work,
using
man.
for
Because
inline.
triggering doesn't work because here we're talking about client-side rendering, right? Handling
Okay, so of
triggering
course there's
logic
nobody
is
triggering it.
generally done on the server side. You could do it on the client, but it is a can of worms.
Do we even have client-side only dialogues? I think dialogues are also always server-side, aren't they?
They are triggered and handled. The logic's handled on the server side. So maybe
So I
something.
guess in that case we could have a triggering player.
Could we do it just my player? Can we add that?
I guess so, yeah.
But it is very limiting. It's just I can't quite figure out how
So-
we can allow developers to
think-
point to a particular player.
Like I've been trying to find I think it's an old Brains clone that has a stat menu that appears when you right click on a player unit and it shows like their game stats. And I guess that's something that should be possible with an actual handlebars implementation as well, shouldn't it?
Sorry, I missed a part of this. Can you can you say that one more time? I'm sorry.
So I think there's already a game that allows you to right click on a player unit and then you see the stats of that unit inside a dialogue.
There is?
And
Okay.
I'm guessing it uses a global string. Yeah, I've been trying to find it for like days. I'm not exactly
I don't
sure.
know.
Maybe someone in chat knows.
I don't know. If there is, let me know. I'd love to take a look. I love what you've done so far here, by the way. I mean, this is all you, right, Mon?
Yes, together with Franchu. But
Yeah.
yeah, we did write the docs
No,
together.
this is really great, but I do think we should transport this to our documentation. So when you click on syntax documentation, it actually opens the link to the documentation.
It just takes you to the docs.
Yeah.
Def. I'll make a morsel for this.
Sure. Oh, I can do it right now. I have it open.
Nice.
Yeah. This link should open documentation. Remove. I'll leave this to you and Franchu.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is great. Yeah, but I should probably get back to game building.
Yep.
Oh, by the way, I noticed a bug. Not sure if it's a bug, but it doesn't. The play button color seems to disappear. Yeah, enter world. Oh, I guess they're different. I guess they're different buttons, that's why. So if I reopen the title screen, the continue button isn't, it doesn't have that blue color. It's not a big deal. I'm sure 90% of the users never even open title screen again, but yeah, the issue is there. The movement is kind of screwed for me. I don't know why. I'm moving very, very slow. So that's also an issue. Yeah, but I'm sure Mon's gonna address all this. Let me go home and work on my game. Okay, so the game I'm working on is Safari Hunt. If you guys want to play this with me, feel free to join. Here's the link.
Let me push this out as well.
Yeah, I mean, it's, yeah, sure. So, what are some of the other to-dos here for this game? So the difficulty definitely needs to scale more. I think the game starts off a little too hard in the beginning. Also, okay, it is bound to the map, which I'm okay with, but I do feel like it could use some additional buffer. When I'm in the corner, I don't know, I feel like my unit's too far in the corner. So let me fix that. Game settings, map. With is 32 right now. Let me change that to 30, 38 maybe. 32 to 38. So we're adding 6 more, 3 each side. I think that's okay. Save. I also think we should allow units to go down a bit further as well. Yeah, I think. Yikes. Hold on. Yeah, and it should be allowed to go down maybe one stairs a little lower. Alright guys, I'm gonna republish the, or am I allowed to edit the map right now? Did the size increase already? Let me see. Oh shit, no way. That's crazy. So we now have a live update for the maps without us having to republish. That's pretty awesome. Okay. Color this. That. Okay, let's draw some walls. This is a bit of a manual labor that I'm not a fan of, but I'm doing it. I guess that each side should get about 4. I think that's reasonable. Yeah, I think that's pretty reasonable. Then this thing can extend a bit further. Looks okay. Little extra buffer. How do I do this? About 4 tiles of space? 5 tiles. Let's try 5 tiles. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I think that is good. A little more space here. think that is good. I think we got it, boys. Is it even? Am I going crazy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is pretty even, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna just move the spawn right here. Yes, and the balls, let's drop them right here. Oh, I hate the fact that it just like creates the region, even if I cancel it. That's kind of annoying. Okay, cool. I think the new map is better. Let me save it. Whoa, okay, we got like a bunch of people playing this now. Again, I don't think the game is scaling properly. No, I'm dying. No, wait, I'm still alive. No, I'm dead now. This does feel a bit more natural, in my opinion. As in, like, it's not too far. Like, I can still see my unit. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, no, I'm dead. Yeah, the game is pretty hard. Let me maybe lower the HP. The hippo's got 150. Let's lower it to 100 maybe. The elephant instead of 500, let's go 400. Health 400. Yo, Noah said, wait, I thought you stopped working on the game. No, I'm still trying. The monkey is also pretty strong. Let me nerf the monkey a bit. It's got 40 health. Let's go 30. I think 40 is okay, considering the number of players in the game right now. Okay. I don't know. Do you guys think the game's too hard? Oh, yikes. Oh, wow. We didn't die. Nice. Let me know if you guys think the game's too hard. Whoa, okay. Still alive. I haven't died yet. I'm gonna change the scoring system so you don't end up like losing all your points when you die. Actually, does that happen? Okay, I need to gain gold, right? Okay, here.
Some people in the chat are saying it is too hard.
It is too hard? Yeah.
Impossibly hard though.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys a bit of burp buff. So I'll hide the high score, by the way. And the gold amount. So every time you kill something, not only is it going to increase your score, but also the gold amount. So let me see. So when you hit something, I guess it goes in the bullet. Hits wall, destroying touch. Okay, so the score goes up for the bullets. Does the flame give you the score as well? Okay, that's great. So this is one of those rare moments when we actually want to run a global script. So we don't want to discriminate or having to run. We don't want to run write same scripts multiple times, right? So let me go back to the bullet script. It says destroy and touch, give experience, hits wall. Okay, why is it not giving experience? Oh, it gives experience upon getting destroyed. That's fine. So copy script, and then you know one thing we really need, Mon, is ability to alt tab between the different windows.
Yeah, wow, that'd be great. I don't think alt tab will work though.
Not alt tab, but like yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. It'll have to be, I don't know, something like alt. What do you call this sign? Ampersand or whatever? The wavy thing. Not ampersand. Ampersand is
that's,
completely different.
tilde,
Tilde.
but
Tilde.
it's
Yeah.
different.
Alt tilde maybe.
It's different. It's in different positions in different keyboards, so it's not really good for a
No.
hotkey, sadly.
Control tilde. I don't know.
I did have alt space, but that also has settings on Mac, I believe.
So when projectile touches a unit touches projectile, right? And if the let me see, cannonball, explosion, flame, yeah, it's pretty universal. Create explosion at the position of this. Ooh, yeah, but the flame does not create the explosion, right? So let's ignore that. If source unit of this entity, okay, so source unit of triggering projectile. This is true. Experience. Okay, so I gotta change this entity to triggering projectile altogether. I'm gonna use my code editor just for a quick modification. Triggering projectile. Okay, I'm gonna modify that back here. Preview. All right. So when unit hit starts projectile, experience of source unit, triggering projectile, blah blah. Temp player is the source unit of the okay. Score is fine. Blah blah blah. It doesn't really talk about the unit getting hit, but I guess that's okay. I just need to duplicate this so it applies to the gold as well. Gold. There we go. Yeah, I think that is good. Save and close. And save and close. The next thing I'm gonna do is in the shop, all these items are gonna be sold for gold, not score. So you don't lose gold up and down, which is quite demotivating for the players. No, did I save? Oh, come on, I got a complaint to make.
What's going on?
All right, check this out. So if I have a shop open, this is for Pranchu, I guess. If I have a shop open, and then let's say I want to edit a jetpack, and then I open score.
And then you hit escape, and
Yes.
it closes both of them, right?
Yeah, so let's say I do this, escape,
Yeah,
everything's
that's
gone.
quite annoying.
It's very
I write
rage-inducing
the ticket.
bug. Yeah, thank you. All right, we're gonna fix this issue because I'm sure not just me going through this struggle. Canon score is 750. 750. Also, pressing enter should just close the window. Kind of annoying that I have to.
Yeah, it should just do that everywhere.
Yeah. Gold.
We shouldn't fix it for like individual things.
Yeah, it's
There's
just,
like so many spaces where enter is not doing what I want
Yeah.
it to be doing.
yeah. All these little things, right? They matter. I mean, if you accumulate these things, it's such a frequent actions that we make that this fix could eventually save hours of someone's life, you know? Someone like me and you and Nico. Alright guys, I'm gonna
there's like
republish the
this-
game. Now you're not gonna lose gold anymore. Oh, ooh, I forgot about this. We're supposed to, when the game resets, we need to also reset the gold. Okay, so that should be implemented. Is the gold amount going up? I haven't hit anything, so nope. It's bugged. So the gold is not going up. So let me fix that. Bullet. Disable all this. Ooh, okay, I know what's going on because this entity is getting destroyed up on touch. And the entity scripts are running first. Oh man, that's gosh. So there's a race condition. There is a race condition. Yeah, because the entity scripts run first. Disable. So we're going to add a condition. Okay. Okay, now the gold is going up. But this also means, yikes. This also means bullet, cannonball, destroy and touch. No, we're not destroying it. Oh yeah, I don't know why this is even here. Let's get rid of this. And get rid of this. Flamethrower. Delete. And delete. Perfect. Okay, so now wait. Hits wall, destroy. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. Okay. So we destroy when it hits the wall. I guess you should. This is fine. Now, for this portion, when a bullet hits a target, right? So a bullet hits a target, we are destroying it, but we should only be applying this to projectile that is so the triggering projectile is equal. If that's equal to a bullet, then we destroy it. Otherwise, we really shouldn't be destroying the projectile. Good. Okay. And we should be creating. No, this is fine. Okay. Hopefully that fixed a bunch of things. Are people getting new items? Let's find out. It's good to see everyone, by the way. Am I dead? Where am I? Oh, I'm right here. Oi. Oi, okay. Right, so we're not gonna lose money anymore, and we should be able to buy items. Not sure what I'm supposed to do with the experience. Okay, I got 270. And I need more gold to buy more stuff. Oh boy. Okay. I almost died back there. Just, oh my gosh. I almost died again. That monkey is crazy. No. Ow. Okay, I'm dead. So I died and I lost a bunch of points. Oh, the game's over. Okay, guys, let me make the game a little easier. This is a bit too crazy. I agree. Spawn ball. Blah blah blah. How do I set the ball queue count? I think it happens at the round start. There you go. Number of players +4. Let's not do +4. In fact, let's do -4. Or just do a 0. Let's do it 0. So there's no weird offset, and on top of that, or you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do +4, but I'll increase the number of how much these balls constitute. So the ball value here is 15. If it's level 1, we really shouldn't be seeing this, but here, let's do 20 for the ball value. And the monkey should have the ball value of I don't know, 5. And the hippo should have ball value. Oh yeah, hippo might be the issue. So should have 8, 9. Let's do 9. And that's because the elephant has 20. Yeah. Let me republish. Let's see what happens. All right. Yeah. What should I do for players that level up? Let me know, guys. Also, hey, if you guys can think of a good artwork that I can put into the game, let me know. Yeah, I'm a bit confused here because what do you call it? We really shouldn't be seeing the elephant from the get-go. Elephant, it has a very high score thing that should really be. Okay, I got a jetpack. Sweet. Peace out. Hey. Oh yeah, I forgot to add that in the map, eh? Walls. Oh no, what's going on? Rush. There you go. Bruh. Why can't I? Oh my gosh. Why can't I drag the map? Is it because I'm selecting? What? Hold on. Bro. What is going on here? Why can't I drag? Oh,
That's weird. Now
that
you
is
can.
very weird. Okay, now it's working and not working. Very strange. Yeah, it's very strange.
Is it back now?
It's somewhat working now. I definitely want to add an item like a shield. That's something that I can like stand on maybe. Uh-oh, they're all gonna die. Yeah, we're all gonna die.
Or like a shield that you could place down as well, or
Sorry, what?
a shield that you could place down, or one that you hold.
Place down that you can stand up on, or like put in a ball
yeah.
view to withhold to absorb the damage.
Yeah,
Okay, so
you know, one thing I was thinking about when everyone was saying that it was hard, and you pointed at it actually already with not having the elephants pop up right away, but I was thinking it could progressively get harder without including the elephants and the hippos. And I think like once it gets to 20
yes,
monkeys, like after that, then the other ones start popping in.
yes.
Maybe. Yeah.
I tend to agree. So I'm trying to change the the ball value, which is 9 right now. And when the round starts, what we do is, so we set the ball queue count to level, which is 1 times by number of players, let's say 7 plus 4, so that's 11. And every second we're gonna spawn ball where we set a random number between 1 to 3. And we repeat the process. Got it. If the ball queue count is greater than 0, let me see. Oh, I see what's wrong. I see what is not right. I need another if statement. I found the issue. If the so we have to do a number comparison. If the ball Q count is less than or greater than whatever the value of this ball is, ball value. So okay, I found the issue. This is why the difficulty of the game wasn't scaling properly. Ball value of it needs to be like a random unit. Do we have that? No. We need to have like a temp unit. Let me create this. Environment. Create new temp unit. I'm still thinking about the game that Nico made. That was pretty mesmerizing. Like, whoa. Yeah, that was amazing. I think it just needs polish, really, at this point. Just better art, better music, sound.
Like a story in a game. I loved it.
Yeah. Okay, so set variable. Set variable, and we're gonna set the variable temp unit as a random unit. Or how does that work? Oh, unit type. Oh shit. Okay, sorry. It should be temp unit type, not temp unit. My bad. Temp unit type, and it needs to be unit type. Save. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna do set variable temp unit type is the random unit type from balls. Okay, we're doing that, and if the ball count is ball value of the temp unit type. Wait, hold on. What is going on here? Oh, this is annoying because I can't get the default value of a unit type, default attribute value of the unit type. That makes things difficult for me. That is annoying. Yeah, we don't have that, I think. Default, so we have default quantity of item type, but we don't have default value of attribute. Default value of attribute. We need this. This is something I can add. Admin. Default. Oh, yeah, hold on. So default quantity of item type, right? We can do default value of attribute, and we can also do attribute of unit type. Or do we just do value of an attribute? How does that work? So we have entity attribute, but we don't have entity type attribute. Okay, I see what's going on. We need so we have this, and this, I think this should say entity attribute value, not the attribute, by the way. Player attribute value as well. I don't know why it's saying player attribute. This is just a result of my lack of foresight. attribute type of attribute, last triggering attribute, those are fine. So what I need is so add a variable. Default attribute value of a unit type. I think that's something I need. Braden says maybe make hitbox a little smaller, but not too small. Sure, it's somewhat reasonable. I'll look into that in a bit. Get default attribute value of unit type. Oh gosh, it's such a terrible key, but I think it's default attribute value of unit type. What I need this. How do I code this is another question. Because we I'll look into doing this in a bit later. Meanwhile, so this is gonna stay as number. Attribute types, required parameters. I guess it needs to be unit type. Do you have a unit type here? Unit groups, item types, but for some reason I don't see unit types. It's okay, I guess. Default attribute value of unit type is the one we're trying to get. Save. Okay, we have this. It doesn't quite work yet, but yeah. Default attribute value of unit type. Well, I'll have to code this in. Gosh. So how do I do this? I feel like I need to hard code this then, right? Yeah, I need to hard code this. Oh. Okay, so let me see. So if the ball cute count is less than 3, we may pair it. If it's greater than, let's say, let me think. Temp unit type. So if the ball cute count is greater than whatever, if the temp unit type is thinking. It's an easy way to do this. No coins in this game, bye. Man. It's not always about the coins, okay? Yeah, we're gonna die. I think the elephant needs to bounce a little higher. I wonder why it's not bouncing, because it's got no damping and it has a restitution of 1. So yeah, it's a little bit odd to me how it's not bouncing. Yeah, what the heck? Why is it not bouncing? Is it because of the friction? Or is it because of the density? Let me increase the density slightly.
And I have a quick question. I didn't want to interrupt you while you're.
Yeah, of course. Go ahead.
speaking there, but when you say hard code, is this something everyone else can also do, or
Yeah,
I'm-
so when I say hard code, I mean I'm not like really utilizing the values I'm setting. I'm gonna add I'm gonna do the math using bunch of manual. Basically, I'm gonna do a bunch of manual work is what I'm saying. So instead of leveraging off a preset value, I may end up having a bunch of if statements to accommodate this logic where it will spawn different types of units based on the difficulty level. So for example, if the ball count is here, if the ball count is greater than, let's say, 20, we'll spawn an elephant. Yeah, we'll do that actually. I'm not a fan of doing this, but I think I kind of have to. So it's not going to be a random unit anymore. We're going to create an elephant. If the ball count is greater than 10, greater than 9 or 8, let's say, I'm going to spawn a hippo. Otherwise, the ball count is greater than 3. We're gonna create monkeys. Yeah, so this is what I meant by like manual work. It's it's not the most efficient way of getting things done, but yeah, I'll do the job. I'll just use the parrot here. And yeah, no, this is silly how I'm doing this right now. Activate action, apply force, blah blah blah. I will also be doing this. Yes. Yes. Okay, we're doing this. Saving it. The logic should work fine now. Let's watch this guy getting killed, and we'll see how. Yeah, I'm just gonna republish. So the game should be a lot less difficult now. Let's take a look at how it plays. Okay, so first level we get only one monkey and a parrot. Super easy. Parrot's kind of hard to hit for some reason, but yeah, parrot is a bit problematic. Where's the parrot? Okay, we got it. Level 2. We got a hippo and a bunch of monkeys, but again, not too difficult. And we're not seeing elephants. Okay, 2 hippos now. Still haven't seen the elephants. The game is reasonable, I would say.
so was the issue before that they would just randomly come out?
Yeah,
There
yeah.
wasn't-
The game was just, it was too difficult.
That makes sense. That's. Oh, I see my broadcast.
Oh, nice. Did I just die? Okay, now we're seeing the elephant at level 4. Okay, I'm gonna get my jetpack soon. Do I want a jetpack, or I'm gonna try the cannonball first, actually. So let's try that soon. Get that monkey. Get those parrots. You kind of have to hit ahead. I really gotta work on this physics simulation, predictive physics. Okay, I got 800. Okay, let me try cannonball. There you go. Cannonball. Whoa, this cannonball is like useless. So weak. It's so bad. All right, I gotta buff this up a little bit, guys. The balls, let's make sure they have a higher density. Let's give them 5 density so we can push things out of the way. No! Oh, did I just lose all the gold? That sucks. Cannon, let's also increase the fire rate from every 2.5 to almost halve it. Okay, we should be okay now. Yeah, let's try that next time. Monkeys coming, boys. Nice, did we get it all? Yeah, we got it. We got them, boys. Yikes. That's funny. Right? Yeah, I mean, the game's a lot easier now, I think. At least from what I can tell. In a sense that it is a lot more enjoyable, in my opinion. Oh no. I saved you, bro. Okay, now, oh no! Oh, that was so stupid. Okay, but I still get to retain my gold, so that's okay. Psst. Bro, come on. Oh, the game reset it. Okay, losing's good though. Losing is fun. It gets people to wanting to like get better, so I'm not against that. Actually, you know what? That is like one of the key components of making a game go viral, is making losing fun enough that it asks for more. You know, it wants people to. It makes people want to keep on playing, thinking that that they can do better next time. All right, we're progressing here, guys. Let's not die. I don't know. I want to get my weapon upgrade. What I'm thinking, by the way, for some of the initial upgrades is maybe like movement speed upgrade, as well as maybe like fire rate. So we can shoot faster. Okay, I think we have a chance. No, I don't want to die. Okay, yeah, I got a cannonball. No, wait, 7. Okay, I need 50 more gold. Then I get cannonball. Okay, 50 more. Okay. No, get away from me. Ah, okay, guys, don't die. Clear this level. Please clear this level so I can buy cannonball. Please, guys. Please don't die. Don't die. Oh my god, did we just... Okay, we got one more guy left.
No, that was me.
Please stay alive. Please. Khalid, I believe in you. Stay alive. Do not die. Bro, don't even destroy those. Don't even. Oh man, you're just like risking it more. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Do not freaking die. Do not freaking die. 8 more seconds. You can do it, bro. Oh, thank you. Okay. I get to buy the weapon now. Yes. Okay, cannon. There. Oh my gosh, it's so weak. What the fuck? No. Okay. I can push the elephants away though. It's keeping me alive. Oh my goodness, it's so terrible. Okay, I'm pushing them alive. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Okay.
We didn't get it.
Let me I forgot to do one thing, which was to increase the bullet speed. It should have been like twice that. What happened was I increased the density of the cannonballs. So what ended up happening is, the push force, like, it's not strong enough to propel the ball far enough. So I just like, well, it just ended up not working, as you saw.
Yeah.
But it should work better You know what? I don't even want to do this. Let me just change the price of the cannonball so I can just immediately purchase it. Save and save. Does this live update? Let me try. No, it doesn't. I guess the shops don't update live yet, right, Mon? Are you still here? I think is it like
No.
super? Yeah, Mon. It's super late for Mon right now.
Yeah. Mon left. I know we already said this a little bit ago, but this game, it's definitely a lot more fun now. I'm liking it a lot better. I am
Okay.
still confused about who I am sometimes.
Oh yeah, we gotta fix that.
Yeah. I know we talked about it earlier in the convo, but I think this would be a perfect example for that.
Let me increase the map size just ever so slightly more. Yeah, we'll fix that, by the way. Colin's working on it right now as we speak. And I believe we will take care of that. So
Oh, nice. And that's why we can't see the black in the outside. You made it bigger out already.
exactly.
Okay, that's nice.
Save. All right, here we go. Also, our mouse cursor is hard to find as well here, right? We can that's something else we can fix. Oh my gosh, push that thing away, please. Oh, we're gonna die. What's that? Come on, bro. Did you just okay.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
Oh no.
You died right as soon as the game started. I saw. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yeah, it was a little too hard. Yes. Win this game. Khalid is really good. You're good at this game, bro. Nice. Alright, we're getting to level 3. Oi! Oh my goodness. Whoa, how did I not die back there? That's crazy. Oh my gosh, we made it, boys. Nice job, everyone. Whoa, okay, I had no chance there just now.
Yeah, that fell right on me. Again.
I wonder if I should create more platforms for people to like hide in.
Yeah, you know what I'm thinking about this game? It's kind of like I know we got inspiration from a game that's completely not even close to what this one is, or maybe a little bit, but I think more vertical space, so the animals could fall in different ways with platforms vertically might be cool. What do you think?
So the issue with the vertical space is the birds. If they fly up too high, like you're never gonna see it. Oh gosh, I'm dead.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
thanks for who was that? Thanks for following. Chains and hey, it's Yusuf. What's going on, bro? Yeah, Khalid is really good at this game. Okay, level 2. Come on, boys. So game started over again, huh? I wonder if I can change my mouse cursor. Oh my gosh, that's too hard. Yeah, one of the challenges in this game too is that the monkey like they don't bounce as well. Like what I'm saying is they don't bounce high enough, which makes the game extremely hard. Yeah. How do I make it so that they bounce higher? Oh my gosh. Yeah, no chance right there. See that? Like when the
That was
balls end up in the corner like that, yeah, it's pretty much game
Everyone-
over. What
Mhm.
can I do?
Maybe we could open up a 1x1 little space for one person in there.
Oh, I got an idea. I got an idea. So every time when the ball hits the wall, or when it hits the okay, so we still have a floor region, but not even that. If you do it so when it touches the wall, we can do oh, there's such thing as bounce queued. Okay, what happens if the bounce is queued? Ah, okay, I see. Let me try this. Disable. So we do bounce queued when it touches the wall. Okay, so it hits the ground. We're gonna apply this force minus 40. Okay. Let's do minus. Why don't we do? Why don't we try 100? Let's see what happens. Okay, so monkey is supposed to bounce a lot higher now. Let me see what happens when it same logic, but for the hippos, it's the ground, my 750. Okay, so hippo's gonna bounce as well. Are they bouncing up higher now? Whoa! I saw a madness. Okay. Okay, no, okay, I ruined the game. Just give me a sec. Let me crack this.
Yeah, I'm surprised I'm still alive.
When it hits the ground, let's increase it just ever so slightly. Let me make it a little more subtle. Sorry guys, give me a sec. So monkey is going to be minus 20 as how it was meant to be before. Alright, let me know if this is better. That was pretty funny. Okay. Okay, no, it's monkey's better, but the hippo's still going
hippos-
like
the hippos are
crazy. Let me fix that.
The parrots are also very slow. Is that normal?
Minus 50, I guess. Yeah, hippo's nuts in this game.
You know, a ball was coming directly at me, and the first instinct I had was like crouch. You know, that could be maybe like a defense mechanism. It keeps you alive for an extra.
Yeah, that could work. I can see that.
Maybe, you know?
Okay, hippos is better. Monkey is also quite better, I think. Where's the monkey at? Yeah. Okay, I'll lower it just ever so slightly, but I think we're getting very close. Ground. Let's do minus 15 for the monkey. We're getting very close here. And hippos, let's do minus 35. For the elephant, minus 750. Ooh, let's try 200. Even that might be too strong. We'll see. All right, how's the bounce now, guys? Let me know. It does feel quite crazy, actually. Yikes. You know what I think we need is damping. Because I mean things are moving so fast. I'm gonna create damping of, let's say, 3 for the monkey balls. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's not bouncing high enough now. So I am going to create minus 20 back for the monkey. 25, 20. I think 20 is okay. What's going on? Let's see what happens. With the monkey. Falling down very slow. 25. Let's go with the 25. Let me know, guys, how you feel about the physics. I'll go ahead and fix it. Okay, so hits ground minus 25 for the monkeys. The damping does feel a bit too strong, so I'm going to change it to something lower. Let's do a 2. Okay. Oh, right. The hippo's pretty crazy, in my opinion. Looks like you guys are managing okay though, huh? Now we're getting to a level 3, so maybe it's not too crazy. Yeah, the game's reasonable. It's at reasonable difficulty. Oh my gosh. Get that thing away from me. Thank you. The hippo is let me add the damping for hippo. Linear damping. Save and save to all. Okay, I'm still alive. It's crazy. Oh my god.
Wow, that took me out.
I think okay, is this guy gonna make it? How many people do we have still alive? Just one last guy? Yeah, I believe in you. Bro, no. Oh, bro, he died. Oh no, we lost everything. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the. Hold on, can I buy Cannonball yet? No, freak. Why didn't the. Okay, so the shops don't update, right? Hold on. Let me see. Shop. Okay, shop cannon. Save. But it does not update. Okay, I'm republishing. Yeah, I'm gonna republish, guys. We gotta get that balance right. It's like the most important part. The game, the core gameplay has to be fun. Okay. All right, so I feel like it's still pretty weak. Let me change it. So maybe let me decrease the density of the ball. Right now it's a 5. Let's do 3. Save and save. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay, so changing the body type of the projectile seems to have broken the game. Something we should definitely share this with Dimitri. Okay. Okay, there you go. Are we good? Oh Jesus. Is the Cannonball too OP, guys? What do you think?
I want to get to it so I can test it out.
How is some of the ghosts having Cannonball? Oh, is it because you can buy items when you're dead? I'm not sure. Yeah, is it Cannonball too OP, guys? Let me know. Yeah, it's pretty good, right? I like to see how imbalanced this is. Cause like, okay, like can players die with the Cannonball? Okay, I think that is definitely within the realm of possibility here. A few guys are dying, I'm seeing. Oh my gosh. Because the fire rate is kind of slow, right?
I was about to say the same thing for the normal gun as well.
Oh, you mean like the fire rate is too slow for normal guns?
Yeah. But
Okay.
it might just be that I need to upgrade. That I need to get good enough to upgrade.
Yeah, you do end up becoming quite vulnerable. Oh gosh, just like right now. Oh man, we made it alive.
Wow.
We were supposed to die just now.
Right now, if I shoot, will it bounce off the bullet? Is that the idea?
Yeah, so you're talking about Cannonball, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The whole point of the cannonball is that the balls have so much density that it pushes out the balls or the enemy balls, which gives you significant higher survival chance of survival.
That explains why I got saved a few times.
Yeah. Yeah. If you take a look at my screen right now, I think it might be a little too OP. Yeah, let me lower the density. Oh man, that's gonna break the game again though. Okay, so yeah, I gotta nerf this a bit. Cannonball's too good. Whoa. Yeah, Cannonball is a little too OP. I'm gonna.
Yeah, something's off because I was able to buy the cannonball and the jetpack, and I only had 500.
Oh, that's because Cannonball's free right now. Well, for the sake of
Oh.
testing. Okay, sorry guys, I'm republishing again, and the game froze because I updated the what do you call it? The projectile. I should create a ticket for this. Updating projectile in live game seems to break the game. Changing density. All right, how's the cannonball, guys? Does it need nerfing or? I'm still alive. It's good. Oh my gosh, that bird, bro. There's no chance. That came out of nowhere. Took us all out. Okay, I can definitely add more items like shields or yeah, no, I think there's a lot that we can do. Should I also like provide HP for the players so they don't die at once?
So maybe like one bounce will do like half of the health or a third of
Something
it.
like that, yeah. Or oh yeah, maybe that can be part. Oh gosh, you're dead. Yeah. Okay, Cannonball is not too OP at this point, I think.
No, I don't think so. I think it's if you have the jetpack and the cannon, it's pretty nice, but it's not OP. I don't think so because I died
Okay.
pretty quickly. I mean, I don't know if I'm a good judge here because I lost pretty quickly, but yeah.
I'll I'll add that. Okay, I'll set the price now. So the jetpack is 500. So the cannon can be what? Flamethrowers yeah, so I'll do 700. All right, guys, I'm gonna restart the game. I think it's better balanced. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Give me your feedback, guys. What's going on? Emergency alert. I'm getting emergency alert. But it's just a test. Okay. We're all good. Our world isn't ending just quite yet. You like it right now? Okay. Okay, which weapon what should I add next? Oh yeah, you guys are talking about adding HP, right?
I think HP would be cool if it was like a 3-hitter HP. And would it depend also if you get hit by like a parrot or by a elephant?
Right. Should we give a choice for the players? So they can either upgrade their speed. Oh, that parrot is crazy. They get to either have HP or so life, or another one is speed maybe. So like players actually start super slow in the beginning, but then they can upgrade their speed.
Should we make a poll? Is that what you're saying?
I mean, I just look at the chat.
Oh
Chat,
yeah.
let me know what you guys think. Okay, chat. Tell us what to do. Oh my gosh, did you see that elephant? How did I not die? Chat, tell us what to do. Oh my gosh. Oh, how did I? That's so dumb. Let me know what to do. When the units level up. Okay. Hima says add health as an upgrade. By the way, minigun sounds good. I like it.
Maybe like a different color cannon that fires a little quicker.
Yeah, minigun, right? Like a red bullets.
Oh yeah, I guess that would be the minigun.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we're
I
back
was
to
also
level 1
thinking-
now. Sorry, go ahead.
You also, no, I was thinking it would be cool to take that cannon idea.
Yeah.
But you can only shoot every so many seconds, and in return, it gets everything you hit bounces off like all the way. If you know what I mean. Like right now, I don't think it does that, or does it?
The cannonball?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you hit something, it just stays on and it continues on like hitting other targets.
Oh.
Oy. That was scary. Oh no. Alright. Okay, someone's got the jetpack. You know what? I'm gonna do the same thing. Gosh, let me just... Okay, there we go. We're good. We're good. The jetpack guy just died. Oh no. Oh bro, that was so scary. Oh, and somebody else said that the jetpack and the flamethrower should share the fuel, right? What do you guys think about that? Should they share the fuel or yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe they should.
Is that someone said no? I think
No?
they should, honestly. It would make more sense to.
Because right now
refill it.
the jetpack doesn't regenerate, and that's annoying a few people, as far as I'm concerned. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got taken out.
Oh, no.
The game is actually scaling pretty well. Like, okay, we got to level 6, so it's not impossible. I think the jetpack remembers me as a plunger cameraman. What? Why did that guy even die? He just walked right into the parrot. Okay, so just stay alive for the next 24 seconds, and then we're okay, I think. Should we make the monkeys not affected by gravity? I wonder. Okay, I think we're okay. Good job, everyone. No, I don't want to die. No, yikes. Oh man, let me go. Let me go. Oh, yes, I'm alive. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Oh my gosh. Oh, the elephant just killed us. How far did we get? We got to level, was it like 8, I think? That wasn't so bad. I don't mind. I don't mind it. I think, okay, so let me take you guys' feedback. How do I do this? How do I make it so you can choose between health or... Okay, we need a choice. We need choice, right? So what are gonna be the choices? So one is gonna be health, but what else?
Health. We could also do upgrade to gun. I don't know.
But
what we would
that's
call that.
guns are, you know, things you can buy in the shop.
Okay. Oh, you're saying yeah. I mean, the other idea, I don't know what we think about this, was the crouching. So instead, like that could be a protective mechanism.
Right,
know?
but what's something that can be upgraded in a progressive manner, right? So like crouching, there's just it's either on or off, right?
True. So that I guess starting off with health, because you could upgrade health. I guess another version of that is armor, but that's the same thing.
Double jump.
Double jump.
I think double jump kind of becomes obsolete though once you get jetpack. Whoa, the elephant was crazy, yo. I do. Hold on. Okay. How to change cursor with Python CSS? There's gotta be a way. Oh, nice. This is pretty cool.
Honestly, that with like a little plus sign in the middle would be nice.
Yeah, for sure.
Or just even the plus sign.
Yeah, how the SVG, okay. Interesting. Yeah, I guess SVG could work. How do I do this? Module cursor. Oh, interesting. We have a CoffeeScript. SVG cursor. CSS. How do I do this? Oh, nice. Crosshair. Interesting. How do I change the size? Okay, so crosshair is this. Is it the
Crosshairs by default, like what that looks like? Oh yeah, look, it's the plus sign.
yeah, how do I make it bigger though? I think SVG is the best bet though. Oh, nice. Okay, I like this. Okay, so I did this and go back to Safari Hunt, go to UI, and that, I think. Wait, where does it, okay, let's give it a try, I guess. Save. Ooh, no, I don't want to do that. Okay, and then we talked about level up, and then you guys talked about HP. What's everybody saying? Walk slow and upgrade to walk faster. I like that. Gold regen is a good idea, yeah. Or just a little bit more gold experience. Also add critical damage chance, though that's also a good idea. I'm liking all the ideas so far, guys. Let me also add another weapon, which is gonna be minigun. Duplicate. What's minigun gonna look like? Let's just go with this for now.
I was gonna say if you wanted me to help look for one, but looks like we have a bunch in there.
Hey, yeah, chat, if you guys want to help and look for like good art for the game on itch.io, let me know. Like, go to itch.io / game assets, and yeah, if you guys can figure out you know, if you guys have, if you guys can see any good, like, guys have any suggestions for this game, games art that I can use, just let me know. Like what I have right now is just a placeholder, so I'm definitely looking to upgrade this. So minigun weapon is gonna fire a lot faster, twice faster actually. And that being said, it's gonna use the bullet. It is gonna be in the shop. I can make this quite cheap, not too cheap actually. Let's how should I price this thing? To 600 maybe. Save. Right, so we got a minigun as well. And then yeah, let's set up the unit's HP. So the health is we have health at 100. We'll set it at 1 for now. And yeah, let's make it so the fuel regenerates slowly. Save and save. Yeah. And then when the ball hits the unit, right? Hits the floor, blah blah, death. That's not what I'm looking for. How do we kill units? Events. Unit destroyed. How do I do this? Death for unit. Okay, there we go. How does unit die? Unit dies when its entity becomes 0. All damage. There you go. So player type of owner. Set value health. Okay. So I'll change this. So instead of dying at 1 hit, it will die. We'll lose health basically. Health of this unit -1. There you go. So every time it gets hit, it'll lose health. What's gonna happen? So when let me think. When it levels up, how are we gonna provide an interface so the user can easily pick between different level ups? Like we don't wanna interrupt the play by having a window pop up in the middle. Yeah, let me think. I think it can be shown as an ability actually. Yeah, it's perfect for ability now that I think about it. For now though, let me change it just as a placeholder. When a unit levels up, I'll give it an extra HP. Give extra HP. Also, when the game restarts, let's reset their HP, right? So round 1, reset round. Reset round. Where's reset round? Why can't I see reset round? I'm okay, there it is. Events. Okay. Let's actually move this right here. Reset round. We are setting the HP of the player. Fuel. Okay, so we're gonna copy this. Paste. And we're gonna give HP. Full HP for the players. Health. So yeah, their health will reset. Save. And yeah, we're gonna give extra HP where we're gonna set entity's attribute max value. HP, health of this entity as whatever it is plus 1. Health of this entity set it as max. Oops. There we go. And this happens when the unit levels up. Great. Increase max HP. And then not only that, we'll set the value, set entity attribute health. We'll fill it all up of this entity when it levels up as max value of health of this entity. Perfect. Good. All right, so now if you level up, you'll get extra HP. Oh, one more thing. Let me show the HP of the unit. I guess in the bottom. Center bar. Yeah, this is fine. And experience, let's color this to blue-ish color. Okay, I'm restarting, guys. So I added a minigun and the level up logic. Yeah, you said be right back, but yes, definitely help me creating this game. If you can help me with finding good assets, that would be very helpful. X. Are people not in a different game or something? Okay, I'm about to level up. Let's see if my health goes to 2 instead of 1. Perfect. So it says I have 1 out of 2 health. That's not correct. I should have 2 health. So this might be a bug. Let me try to get hit and see if I lose HP. I mean, I would do that if okay, here, let me get hit. Okay, I died. Yeah, I'm not sure why my HP isn't going up. Set max level, or sorry, increase max HP. So we're increasing it by 1. That is working. Yeah, I don't know why this is not working. I think it is going up, by the way. It's just not showing for some reason. Yeah, so my health right now is 2 by 2. Okay, that's good. Oh, also, I noticed a bug, right? When I started off, it said 1/1, but it didn't change until I started playing. Okay, so it's 2 out of 2 right now. Let me get hit. Okay, I'm at 1 out of 2. Okay, so it's working. I do have an extra chance. Now, if I level up, okay, good. Now it is showing 3 out of 3. So my health is going up. Cool. This definitely makes the game easier by a lot, actually. I may have to make it so that it takes more to level up. Feels a bit too easy right now. Oh yeah, let me get the jetpack. Nice. Uh-oh. Get away from me. Oh, and my cursor didn't change quite yet. Oh my gosh. Let me also try minigun, which I'll be able to purchase very soon. Rocket launcher, yeah. I like that idea. Yeah, find me the assets, guys. That's gonna be very helpful. Okay, I got a minigun now. Bro, I can't buy a minigun. No! Why can't I buy a minigun? I think I know why, actually. Yeah, I think I know why. The reason is because it's not replacing. Yeah, I'm in the Target shop, that's why. Yes, this is precisely the reason. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it still doesn't work. Crazy how I'm still alive, right? Because I get 6. Oh Jesus, I died. Because I get 6 health. Is Trashman dead? Well, I guess he is, right? Yeah, minigun didn't work. I have to restart to make that work. I also think it's quite a OP. I think. Yeah, I think it's quite OP right now. That you stay alive. After 6 hits, that's crazy. It should be different. It should be like, oh Jesus, don't kill me. Oh no. 7 hits now. Yeah, no, something's this is not well balanced game. We gotta make it so. Hold on, I have enough gold now for flamethrower. Sweet. Burn. Burn all of you. Oh no. I'm out of ammo. I still don't understand why this flame is like moving on the ground like this. Because I set the friction so high. It really shouldn't be doing that. Let me see. Flamethrower, body types. It's not a sensor. Blah blah blah. Friction is 100, yet it is still sliding everywhere. Yeah, that's not right. Yeah, something isn't right. I think it's because the ground does. No. Yeah, it doesn't make sense, guys. It really shouldn't be sliding on the ground like that. Yeah, it really shouldn't be sliding like that. Something's not right. Okay, I'm dead. More ammo for flamethrower? Sure. Or, you know, like I said before, maybe I can do it so it shares the fuel. Oh, you know what? I can do fuel as an upgrade too for level up, right? Okay, so flamethrower right now uses quantity, but screw that, and we'll make it so it uses fuel. Cost is the unit attribute fuel. 1. 1? I think 1's okay. We'll see. We'll see how this works. All right, and when unit gets hit by the balls, ball damage, right? So it takes away 1 HP, but I don't think this should be the case. I think the ball should cause like 50 damage. And increasing max HP should increase it by, I don't know, like 20. So by the time you get level 3, maybe you get like extra HP, you know? Yeah, I mean that makes a lot more sense to me. And initially, health can be thing as well. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, guys, I fixed the minigun. I fixed the minigun. Now the flamethrower uses the fuel. Yeah, no, let's see how this works. Game's a lot easier with just what myself, as it should be. I do think the parrots need to come down, actually, especially when you're playing by yourself. It should be affected by gravity. Save. Save. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now the parrots come down. Yikes. Got no damping. Why do we have HP if we get one hit to die? We don't anymore. You get a better max HP now. Okay, now I get what am I, level 3? Okay, now I get extra HP. Meaning if I get hit like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I must have gotten hit twice. Okay, now I have 80. So if I get hit, let me get hit. Okay, I'm still alive. See? Why is my HP not updating though? Okay, there you go. So I have 30 HP now. So it's working. I really just want to try the... Oh gosh, the flamethrower as well as the jetpack. Let me get jetpack first. Or minigun. Let's try minigun. There you go. Yeah, it fires a lot faster, which is good. I see a few other guys that have it now. Hopefully this will help me get points fast. Oh my gosh. Hey, minigun's awesome. It's pretty OP actually, I think. Oh gosh. Yeah, minigun's awesome, man. Oh boy. Okay, I have 900 gold now. Let me get that jetpack. Sweet. The fuel does go up. Is everybody dead except for me?
I'm joining right here.
No, there's 2 of us. You have the flamethrower. Is the fuel working okay? Okay, I can afford the flamethrower now. So let me try. Yeah, it's working. It's throwing the fuel. It uses the fuel. Yeah, so I think it's pretty well balanced at this point. We're level 10. Wait, am I? Okay, there we go. Oh gosh. We're level 11. Okay. So again, I think the players are a bit OP at this point. Wait, why do I have a 220 health? It's crazy. So that this basically means that I'm not gonna die even after getting hit 4 times. Yeah, I definitely need to make the experience go up a little slower. This guy just pushed me down. But yeah, no, I think the oh boy, oh boy, it's a lot better. It's a lot playable now. More playable, I mean. I'm almost out of fuel. Nice. Whoa. Everyone's got the flamethrower. I definitely need to make it so the cursors are easier to see, because with the white background, it is quite hard. So that's another update I'm gonna add. Oh wow, I have 300 HP now, so. Whoa. I should probably make it so getting hit from the animals will give me, I don't know, more than 50 damage. Maybe it should be like, whoa, 4 elephants. Maybe it should be like, I don't know, 40? No, I'm talking about 80? Or even 100. Yeah, the game's quite easy at this point. I don't think we could ever lose, to be honest with you. Yeah, everyone's too OP. We're at level 17 now, and yeah, the game's really easy right now, so I should probably add more enemy types. But where's the damage? So unit hits the target, all damage. Let's take away 100 HP instead of 50. Okay, or maybe 80. Maybe that's more fair. And then I should probably start introducing more different types of enemies. Oh gosh. What just happened? Where's all my items? I have so much gold, but all my items gone. Why is that? Okay, that's strange. Let's get jetpack and my flamethrower. Grenade sounds fun. Do you guys know what happened? Where did my items go? Oh, is it because I restarted or reset the unit? That must be what happened. Yeah. It's because I saved the unit. And it must have resetted all the items. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys, if I caused this. Whoa. And the game's over. GG. Alright, guys. Well, that was fun. I think we came a long way. I definitely want to add more stuff like rocket launcher and maybe a shield. Definitely also want to increase more selection for the players so they can choose different upgrades. Yeah, different enemy type. Different enemy type, different upgrade definitely are in my to-do list. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know about what kind of enemy I should build. Whoa, bro. Can't even hit that. Add grenade, yeah, no, I could definitely consider that. Okay, so I'm about to have 100 HP, which should allow me to not die. Okay, there we go. So let me hit one of these things. Yeah. It took me 2 hits before I died. So that's good. I wonder if I should make if I should make it so the units are invulnerable for like 3 seconds before they become vulnerable again after they get hit. I think that's something I can definitely add in the game. Yeah, and yeah, again, cursor has to be more visible. I don't know why not. Why it's not happening. Body cursor should it be canvas. SVGs that I can use. Like this is nice. I want to use this. Hmm.
I was really curious about this, so I'm glad we're going over it.
Curious about what? Sorry.
No, I was really curious about how we could do this, like where you'd go to do this. So it's really
Oh, you mean
interesting.
like changing the cursor?
Yeah, yeah, and like doing custom CSS this way as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because my thinking around, you know, how a lot of these people who, um, you know, might not be inclined to a no code engine. It's not technically all no code, right? From audio.
Oh no, not at all.
I mean, it has the opportunity. It has the option to also be code as well.
Exactly. Yeah, if you want to go further with customizing your game, we do provide that option for you.
No, that's interesting. Yeah, the one of the YouTuber that you'll talk to tomorrow, I think we'll go over some of that stuff, or we'll ask about some of that stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh man, I would love to show that guy. I mean, there's quite a few games we can show him, I guess.
Yeah. That Nico game is pretty interesting.
Yeah, that was pretty wicked.
Project Patty. Hello, hello.
Yeah, I'll have to figure this out. What are some of the cursors that I could use? I think I'm just not entering the right. Yeah, what if I just did crosshair? Would that work? UI, body cursor. So what if I just did this? Save. All right, guys, I'll refresh the game. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll try. No, it's not changing the cursor. I can test this on my. Hold on. Oh gosh, now I'm getting frustrated. I want to get to the bottom of this. So we have a game, and then okay, canvas. Okay, so what if I did cursor crosshair? Does that work? Oh shit, it works. That was easy.
Nice.
Okay, well, what if I did that to the UI then? So instead of the body, it's the canvas. Does that work? Hey guys, I'm sorry for keep on restarting, but just bear with me, please. Trying to improve the cursor here.
And those who are still with us, say something in the chat. Let
Oh,
us know.
this is great.
Oh, that one's definitely better.
That's way better, right? Okay, I'm gonna republish one more time, guys. I'm sorry. I'm going to frustrate y'all, but it will definitely increase your experience, I promise. Hey, it's working. Yeah, it's better, right, guys? I hope you like it. This is so much better. Yeah, the mouse changed. Can I make this bigger? I want to make this bigger. Width and height. Do 50 by 50. I also change the color. I want to rotate this too. I don't know why it's rotated. I think black is an okay color. Save. Okay. Ah! So much better, right? Alright, next thing I want to do is add ability that becomes available at a certain point of the game. How do I do that? Let me think. Controls. Okay, so abilities. Let's say, let me think. 20 HP. Increase health. Increase max HP. Cost is going to be, well, I guess it'll be ability points, right? So I'll have to create a new one. Always show. Save without. So okay, where would that ability show then? Okay, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Bear with me. So we have yeah, sure. I mean, use this ability point 0 0. Save. Yeah, why is it called new? I gotta go to the global. I don't know why it's called the new attribute. Attributes. Where are the attributes? There you go. New attribute. Yeah, so let's call it ability. Save. Oh yeah. So the player type now has the ability points, and then every time when a player gets new level, we'll give them ability point. Level up. Okay. Copy. Paste. Ability point to ability point +1. Also, when unit the game resets, we'll set their ability points to
And
0. Sorry, go ahead.
we have a comment from Project Patties saying have some kind of unreleased version for dev tools. No, I think what you're using and so everyone has access to, right?
Yeah, everybody has access to this. Yeah.
A good question.
Copy paste ability points to 1. Should I do 1 or let's do 1? Sure. Save. And then now unit is going to have the ability controls 20 HP. So it's an ability that uses the ability points of the player. It's going to use 1. Always show. We should only show when it's affordable, actually. Cast duration should be 0. Cooldown, it should be 0 as well. Save. Alright guys, I did a logic to increase your HP. Okay, I see it now already. It has no icon. Here, can somebody make me an icon for increasing HP? I can just draw one right now. One sec. So, oops. It's a terrible icon, but this will do for now. Save. All right. Controls. Upload. Health increase. Save and save. Alright guys, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna republish the game. We're at the level 1 anyways, so why not? Okay. Okay, cool. So we can do plus 20. Which we can't quite use right now, it seems. Oh, is it because we're not freaking... Okay, we gotta fix this so we can actually press it on desktop as well. But how am I gonna do this? So we can make it so the keybind Z is to use that. Z is for start casting plus health. Save. Sorry about that, guys. It should work now. Did that just freeze kill the game? I think it did. Let me republish. That totally just killed the game. I'm sorry. That's very buggy. I hope Colin will have a chance to look at this later. Alright. What? Oh my gosh, why is the ability freezing the game? It's crashing it. That's really weird. No, it's crashing the client. Okay. Cooldown timer. Cannot set properties. Okay, let me export the game as is so Colin can take a look into it. Or sorry, sure. Here. What like I must have not set cooldown timer 0. Okay, so maybe it has something to do with the cooldown timer. I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Controls, abilities, this. So no cooldown, maybe do that. Let me rejoin the game. See if that makes any difference. Okay. Let me know what happens when you type in press Z. Nice. The cursor is cross now. Crosshair. It's this is really good. Oh man. Okay, it feels so much better. Hey, ability works. And it does you did it use on my points? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it did actually. Okay, so increasing max HP isn't working because why? Yeah, I'm not sure why increased max HP is not happening. Controls, abilities. When it's starting to cast, it should run that. Cast duration is 0. Unit attributes. You use 1 ability points. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. Something is quite broken. Press Z. Pressing Z should actually work now. I'll actually republish the game, guys. Sorry. It looks like the ability points is not working. Okay, hold on. So if I press that, what? Oh, it froze the game again. Why? I fixed it. Yeah, no, dude, it's this is weird. I'm gonna have to remove it for now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove this for now, guys. How are we gonna do this? Yeah, I'll just remove it both. Save. And I just do it. So upon leveling up, we'll increase the max HP automatically. All right, sorry guys, I'll republish one last time. I see I see that there's a bug with abilities, so I don't want to push it as is. Like there's gonna be no ability for now. I added a bunch of new features for the last 2.5 hours. I do want to add more polish, maybe new art. We'll figure that out together. Guys, I'll try to make the next stream more interactive and try to gather more feedback from you guys. I think I added enough stuff for today. And yeah, I'll probably continue working on it later. Yeah. Yeah, I leave it as is for now. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. That was fun streaming and working on this game together with you guys. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment for this YouTube video. I will take them very seriously. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I think you can subscribe to a live channel, right? Or I think you can. Yeah.
Yeah, it just wouldn't show up for you.
Cool. Project Patty says looks good so far. Good job. It seems balanced. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in, guys. It was great seeing you guys all. And yeah, have a good rest of the day, guys. I'll try to stream more frequently as well. So this is fun and very productive for me. Yeah. Take it easy, guys. Have a good one. Bye.